today I'm going to show you how to make your own marker board. So first, all you need is tape. So this is the paper I'm going to be using. I cut it. So I'm going to put it all the way down.
It's not in the back.
Okay. So I just put the tape along the way. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do strands, guys. My sister is being annoying right now, and I told her I don't want her in my video right now. I told her she's gonna be in my video, and she's been in my videos a lot. So I told her not to, but she's not even listening.
But I want to go on your video.
Guys, just ignore her, please. Thank you.
No. Don't ignore me. And Lyssa is so mean right now. You're really ugly.
Guys, she's lying. I just don't want her in my video because I want to do one by myself. I'm trying to do it, but
I'm just really cool.
and it's actually a whiteboard, guys. Sorry if I confused you. There's a fly in here and it's annoying because I'm by a balcony. So yeah, that's why. And if you guys hear the song, it's Michael Jackson. So yeah, I might put some more tape. I'm just gonna do one more strand of tape because it's pretty much covered. Says the song says, "Are you wonky?" Comment down below if you guys know that song.
Who never win, but Lyssa or me?
Okay, guys, if it goes like this, I'm gonna just do this. Gonna put the tape on the bottom because okay, now I'm gonna rotate it. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna do some more. That's not me. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My mom, she's just sleeping. And that's my sister. She's just getting people in trouble. So, guys, yeah.
No, I'm not.
Sorry, guys, if she's being annoying. Okay, guys. And then once you cover it up with tape, to use erase markers, and that's your erase board. So let's try it out. Okay. I'm gonna be trying these two erase boards, erase markers, and try this one. Wow, it pretty much works. Guys, it works! Oh my gosh. See guys, look, it actually works. So I'm gonna erase it. You guys should actually try this. I recommend this. I didn't think it would work. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how good it turned out. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I'm keeping this board, guys. It's a DIY board. If your mom doesn't let you buy any boards, I recommend making it yourself. So fun. So guys, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn off post notifications and give it a big thumbs up.